Hey guys, how's it going?
I'm S.
I'm A.
And welcome back to our channel.
Welcome back, guys. So it's been a while that we actually sat down and did a mukbang with you guys.
Yeah, we've been doing some food vlogs, but today we're actually gonna sit down and eat. And we are gonna dip our burgers in cheese. I've been seeing that on Instagram a lot, so we have our nacho cheese here.
So we're kind of curious to see how that tastes.
Yeah. And then for our burgers, we got
Five Guys burgers and fries.
So yeah, so we're gonna set up. We have our bag right here.
So this is how it comes packaged, right? They give you like a big old bag, you know, greasy, old school, right? So they let me see if I can get you guys. You see that? They put a cup of fries because we got the large ones, and then the guy just started like pouring it in. But anyway, these are our Cajun fries. You want to show them?
It's a big old cup with fries.
And let's
That's
see
yours.
here. This is probably mine.
Or that one's mine, I think. Is it one pen?
No, I think so. Let's see. I don't even know. It looks
No, I think this is two. No, this is two.
Oh yeah, it's
That one's
number
yours.
2. That's
So
what
this
the
is
number 2 means.
So this is the
Bacon cheeseburger.
bacon cheeseburger, and it comes with double patties.
And Sarah got the little bacon cheeseburger, which is the same thing,
But with one patty.
but with one patty, yeah. And we got it all the way.
Yeah.
So that's like
With all the
the
condiments.
works at a Costco with everything.
Look how greasy and cheesy this looks. Okay, guys. So we're setting up and we're ready to eat. So guys, we're ready to eat.
So these are Cajun fries.
We already ate some, but
They're kind of spicy, huh?
I told you.
I mean, not spicy, but super seasoned. You can feel it in your tummy. In your stomach.
Cheese. Okay.
So we're gonna take the first bite.
I can take the first bite. First, I'm gonna eat it with no cheese,
That's what I was gonna do too.
just because I want to get the taste of the burger, because I've never had Five Guys before.
Show them what you got before you destroy it.
So this is what my burger looks like. It's the little bacon cheeseburger, and the little bacon is just basically one patty, and the regular bacon cheeseburger has two. So here we go, first bite. And we added A1 sauce to it, so.
Okay, so I'm gonna run down the ingredients as she's biting into it. I got it, there's this thing called All the Way, which means it comes with tomatoes, pickles, what else? Tomatoes, pickles,
Mushrooms.
mayo, grilled mushrooms, grilled onions, and mustard, but we didn't get mustard.
And pickles, and tomato, lettuce.
And what else? Oh, and I just told them to add extra
A1.
grilled
Onions.
grilled onions and grilled mushrooms and A1 sauce. And I forgot my bell peppers. She repeated the order like 10 times to me.
Are you gonna take your bite?
Yeah.
And they also serve peanuts there. So it's like your
They're free.
Your
They're
appetizer?
complimentary. So it's like super old school. Like, or an old style burger place. So I hope you guys can get a good look at that. Oh!
yeah. Can't crack the nut. That's
Super good.
chew. I just hear a big ol' ass gulp.
I don't know how to chew, that's why my daughter doesn't either.
Okay guys, so with today's video we're actually gonna tell each other jokes. We've been looking at some like dad jokes and we're gonna see who found the funniest joke. So
Yeah.
what's-
But we have to tell one that we know without looking at our phone.
I don't know any.
No? I do. I'll tell the one I know.
I'm gonna dip mine in the cheese.
No. I'm iffy about it. Do you taste the A1?
I taste it. Not bad. It just makes it super cheesy.
I did get my bell peppers. They're in there. So the ingredients are free and stuff. Which I was telling him, I'm like, they better be like, they have all over the wall the best $5 burger. That's what you get.
So who's gonna tell the first joke?
Me. I say it's a good one. Ready? Well, no, actually, let me look at it because maybe you might. I'm gonna say it and you tell me if you heard it. What do you call a person with no body and no nose?
No body and no nose? I don't know what.
Nobody knows. It's corny as hell, but
Okay, my turn.
I was laughing when I saw it.
Okay.
Get it? Ah.
That's what I
Has to be quick.
Why can't the bicycle start up?
What?
Because it was too tired.
Oh. Oh my god. Alright. Let me see if I can find one better than hers. Alright, so. Okay. So, babe, I'm reading a book about anti-gravity. It's impossible to put down. Boo.
Boo.
Get it? Because gravity pushes down and it's about anti-gravity. The Secret Service isn't allowed to yell "get down" anymore when the president is about to be attacked. Now they have to say, "Donald, duck!"
Stupid.
That one was retarded. I'm gonna stop. Man, you're gonna beat me.
Okay. What did the traffic light say to the car?
What?
Don't look at me, I'm about to change.
Oh my god. So if a child refuses to sleep during nap time, are they resisting arrest?
Dumb.
Who comes up with these, man? I swear to God.
Why is Peter Pan always flying?
Why?
Because he never lands.
Oh my God. Is that good?
He never lands. Yeah.
I used to love that movie. So, did you guys know that the first French fry, the first French fry wasn't made in France? It was actually made in Greece. I just got it. I didn't even get it at first. I just thought it was funny. Oh, that was a good one. I didn't get it when I read it, like, because it says Greece. I just thought it was funny because they were saying it wasn't made in France.
I know you.
But I get it
When
now.
you said it out loud, you got
It's like a double. Funny. That's the best one so far. I have to say.
I'm a fan of another one.
Are you dipping it in your cheese?
The other day, yeah. This is the other day my wife asked me to pass her lipstick, but I accidentally passed her the glue stick. She still isn't talking to me.
Her lips are sealed. So far. I don't even want to tell a joke.
I can say another one.
No, I got it. That's gonna give me a disadvantage. Okay. Let me see. Alright. I've been meaning to tell you something, right? I'm kidding. So, I bought some shoes from a drug dealer. I don't know what he laced them with, but I was tripping all day.
Oh no.
You gotta kind of be.
I saw that one though.
You saw it? Why didn't you say it? You didn't find it funny. That's why you didn't laugh, because you were already seen it.
What do you call a guy with a rubber toe?
I know it. I think I know it. Roberto.
Yep.
It was predictable. You didn't give me that much time to look, and you're over there looking. Not even eating to get a better joke than me.
I'm eating. I'm almost done.
So, I ordered a chicken and an egg from Amazon. I'll let you know.
Wait, go again.
She's so slow. I mean, you guys will probably be as slow as her. I got it right away. I ordered a chicken and an egg from Amazon. I'll let you know.
Oh, which one came first?
There you go. Got it. You deciphered the joke.
Oh, those are dirty jokes.
So let's see. I gotta look for some too, cause she's cheating.
I'm cheating. I'm cheating.
You know what the least spoken language in the world is? Sign language.
Dumb.
It's true. Baby, you have to be fast with that. So delicious.
Hang on. Parallel lines have so much in common. It's a shame they'll never meet.
Oh my god. Don't come at me with those, like, is that considered math?
Oh yeah.
It's like a math joke right there.
I should know.
For if you don't know what parallel is, some people are gonna be like, what?
A bit more cheese. That's.
A slice of apple pie is $2.50 in Jamaica and $3 in the Bahamas. These are the pirates of the These are the pirates of the Caribbean.
Stupid.
Stupid it is. What are you gonna say it?
I'm looking for one.
So my wife tried to unlatch our daughter's car seat with one hand, right? My wife, her, with one hand. And she's like, dang, like I wonder how one-handed mothers do it. and I was like single-handedly.
Done.
So I was driving. We were driving by the cemetery, and I was like, you know what? That's a popular cemetery. And they're like, yeah, really? And I was like, yeah, people are just dying to get in there.
Stupid. What do you call a fake noodle?
What?
I can't even say it. An imposter.
Oh, an impasta. That was stupid.
I couldn't even say it. I was gonna crack up.
It's funny because with these are all hit and misses. Like,
To whoever stole my copy of my Microsoft Word, I'll find you. You have my word.
That's stupid. Oh my god. This is another math one for you guys that like math. The fattest knight at King Arthur's round table was circumference. He acquired his size from too much pie.
Dumb.
Yeah, it's a math one. That one was bad.
What do you call an alligator that works on Wall Street?
What?
An investigator.
Oh my god. Boom. Oh my god.
What is the Nevada city where all the dentists visit?
What?
What is the Nevada city where all the dentists visit? Las Vegas.
Oh my god. Wow. So if you see a robbery at an Apple store, does that make you an eyewitness? That was good. How did you not laugh at that one? That one was good to me. You kill it for me.
Want to hear a joke about a paper?
What?
Want to hear a joke about a paper?
Yeah.
Never mind, it's terrible.
Oh my gosh. So did you guys hear the news? Did you hear the news? FedEx and UPS are gonna merge. The name is gonna be Fed Up.
Stupid. Dumb.
That was a good one. Guys, I'm sorry if none of these jokes make you laugh. I hope at least one does.
I thought about going on an all-almond diet, but that's just nuts.
Oh my god. She got sassy with it. I was talking to my daughter the other day and I told her, I was like, baby, you know I was named after Thomas Jefferson? She said, Dad, but your name's Albert. I'm like, yeah, that's what I said. I was named after Thomas Jefferson.
I'm dumb.
Now you got something like meat on your lip.
Oh, finish your burger. Alright, guys. I think that's all the jokes we're gonna tell.
Wait, I got one more. Okay, so I'm gonna tell one that I know. So,
Chew.
I'm trying to tell him the joke. Can you hear me? Go for it.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Big old gulp.
So there was this hunting convention, right? You've heard it, right? Have I told you? I'm sure I have. It's the only joke I really know. There was this hunting convention, and you know, there was like veteran hunters, like OGs, and they were telling their stories, you know, to the young hunters, and they were so interested. And there was this old man, well-known old man. I mean, he was like one of the best that was there. So the kids are, you know, in awe hearing his stories. And the guy's telling him, like, yeah, I remember one time we went to hunt lions. We were hunting some lions. It was crazy. And I'm walking, he said. I'm out there walking in the safari or wherever lions live. The safari, plains, whatever. And he says one just jumps out of the bush. He said, roar! He said, a huge lion just jumps out of the bush. He's like, and I shit myself. And the guys listening, you know, the youngsters, you know, the rookies were like, hey, sir. He's like, don't worry about it. He's like, we would have shit ourselves too. And he's like, no. He's like, not when the lion jumped out.
Right now?
Right now when I scream, roar! That's all, folks. It's weak. It's funny.
Yeah, guys, so tell us what joke you like the best. And if there's any other food you want to see us eat. We want to do a seafood boil, but we haven't had time.
We're broke.
We haven't had time. I've been so busy at work.
No, I was thinking about it too. Like we need to do one of those too.
Yeah, so we'll have that soon for you guys too. And well, yeah, you done?
Yes. Well, bye guys.
Thank you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And